Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your reviews data using Birdeye exports step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Birdeye account. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Reviews section. In the Reviews tab, locate the Exports option. Click on Exports to access the data export settings. Choose the desired review data type you want to back up. Select the date range for the reviews you wish to export. After setting the parameters, click on the Export button. A prompt will appear confirming your export request. Once the export process is completed, you'll receive an email notification. Open the email from Birdeye regarding your data export. Inside the email, find the link to download your review data. Click on the download link. Your review data will be in a CSV format for easy access. Save the CSV file to your preferred location on your computer. Open the file using spreadsheet software for easy viewing. Review your exported data to ensure it meets your requirements. You have now successfully backed up your reviews data using Birdeye exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.